Hi Year 2, this is Miss Forrest here, and today I'm going to show you how to use OneNote. Now, you guys have been amazing at home with all of your learning from the website, and a lot of you using JIT 5 as well as your emails. But hopefully today I'm going to show you something that will make your life a little bit easier in that you won't have to look at lots of screens like you're doing right now. Okay, so once you sign in, you get to your launch page and you're looking for Teams. So you need to click on your Teams, and then it should come up on the left-hand side. You're looking for Teams. Oh, I'm on my calendar. I'm looking for Teams. Here we go. And then I'm going to click in 2F. If you're in Mrs. Batta's class, you would click on 2B. Here are my posts, but I'm going to click on Class Notebook. Now, here it should give me a little arrow, and I'm going to click on St. John's Class 2F. Now, I'm signed in as St. John's Class 2F, but this should come up with your name. And here we have lots of little books. Excellent. So these are your books, because if you're signed in, the work you do in these is yours and it will be saved as yours. Okay, so Mrs. Batta and I will be able to log in and see everybody's books. So when I click on the book, I've got lots of pages up here. So this is my first page and it says mass number bonds to 10 and 100. So there's a little task here, some videos you can watch, some things to remind you about your number bonds. Okay, I'm going to come out of that and I'm going to go back in. Let's look at the next page. So I've got lots of pages here, and it's a bit like a normal book. It's got lots of pages, a bit like your maths book at school. Okay, so usually at the top then it tells you what you're learning, maybe a video and a task to help you. Now if you want to, let's go back into this for a minute. If you have watched the video, by clicking on here, you can just get that other screen to disappear, and then if you want the options here, you need to click on the arrow again. So I'm going to scroll down. So say I've watched the video and I want to have a go at the task. How do I, it says tick the top. How am I going to tick that? Well, if you click on the taskbar up here, if you click on draw, and then you choose a colour, I'm going to choose this colour, you can tick. There we go. And to come out of that, to go back into your mouse, you need to click this one. And you see this thing up here that's twirling? That means it's saving. And as soon as you see a little cloud, when it stops twirling, you should see a little cloud. Yep, there we go. And that means it's saved. Oh, I don't know why my other ones appeared. These are ones I did earlier. I don't know why they've popped up. So you can click down. If you don't want to do that, if you just want to write underneath, if you just want to write some answers, you need to click down here. There's my flashing, that's called the cursor, the flashing cursor, and I can write the answers. I can write down there. Now I'm just writing nonsense because I've only got one hand. I'm holding up the iPad with the other. Okay, but you would write something and make sure it's done this twirly thing, and yep, it's at the cloud, so it's saved, and I can come back out of this one now, and I could have a look at the other ones. Yeah. So we've got lots of things that we can do, and it's great because it's all on the screen. You don't have to keep going back to the website all the time. Then I might have a look at my learning journal. Okay, we've got a geography task here. Oh, this is our maps lesson. Okay, so we've got the video, you got the challenge. Again, if you want to write on here, you just make sure you're, okay, it's saving. And then as soon as your cloud is up, you know it's saved, and there we go, and you can come back out of it. And what Mrs. Batta and I will go into your file, we'll go into your page, and we can write a comment to mark it at the bottom. So it's brilliant. Phonics, let's have a look at phonics. Oops, that one's not titled. We've got the E sound. Okay, so we've got some tasks for you. Oh, so you would write down all of the real words here, and then to come back out of that, you just click on the little arrow. Now the homework one is a good one. So we have put your sheet up there, the one that you got sent home with all your tasks. Now for this one, you're going to have to create new pages, okay? So I'll show you what you do. You bring your mouse up here, click it, then right click it, and it should come up with new page, and it will say untitled page, and you could say something like firefighter. I'm not going to write it because I only have one hand, but you would write firefighters, and then you click down here and you can write something here. If you want to include a picture, you can insert and you can click on picture. And if you want to go from the internet, you can click from online and you can search pictures of firefighters. And that would be saved as a piece of your homework. And each time you do it, you just create a new page. Okay, year 2, I think we'll leave it there. That just is a bit of an introduction to OneNote. It shows you where all your books are. You can have a go at writing something on a couple of pages so that we can see you've done something. But don't worry too much about it. We're going to look at this at school and learn some more features together. Okay, take care. Bye.